Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you draggable and resizable features of jQuery UI. Let me introduce jQuery UI. It is a JavaScript language that lets us to write less and do more. It also has some inbuilt features that make our work effortless. So guys, when I was a beginner, I used to think instead of padding, margin, float, width, height, all these things, why don't we have a draggable and resizable feature? So we can simply place the item where we want and adjust the size. So today we will look in that feature. So now let's begin the video. First, I will show you how to apply draggable and resizable property. Making a folder that we will open in Visual Studio Code editor. Let's move the jQuery UI in this folder so we can easily link it. In my previous video, I had showed you how to link jQuery and jQuery UI. So have a look in that video. And one more thing, without linking jQuery, you can't use jQuery UI. This is boilerplate. Let me on screencasting mode, so whatever I will do, it will show up in the screen. Now you can see my typing in the screen. Now we will make a box in our browser and then we will apply the draggable and resizable feature in it. CSS by internal. Now opening it with live server, you can see the box. Now let's add draggable and resizable feature. First we have to link the jQuery and jQuery UI file. I am linking jQuery by CDN and jQuery UI I had already downloaded. We just have to link it. Now we can add the drag and resize feature. These are the jQuery codes by which we add draggable and resizable function. Now you can see our code is working absolutely fine. Now let me show you how you can use this feature practically. Here I had code a navigation bar and instead of padding, margin and their positions, I had put draggable and resizable feature of jQuery for each of them. Let's use this to make our navigation bar. Just place the item where you want and adjust the sizes. Now inspect it and just copy their codes and put it to their separate classes. This is how you can use this feature. Okay guys, that's it for this video. More informative videos are on the way to make your coding life easy. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel so you won't miss any update. For now, bye and I will see you next time.